Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you part 2 of my Maa Durga and Mahakali drawing. For this drawing, I've used Dom's oil pastels, Brustro artist pencil colors, and Dom's brush pens. Please stay tuned with the video. I've mentioned all the colors I've used in the corners of the drawing, so do check that out. And here's an important tip. Whenever you use brush pens, place a plastic sheet behind your sketchbook page. This will keep your drawing safe, and the ink from the brush pen won't seep through to the back. I upload both long videos and short videos daily. You all watch the videos, but don't hit the like button. Please do like, share, and subscribe. That's all I wanted to say. Just keep watching the full tutorial and enjoy the process. The final part of the Maa Durga and Mahakali drawing is coming very soon. So stay tuned with the video. See you in the next part. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and Har Har Mahadev.